Hello, my name is Brenton Kelly and I'm here to just introduce you to the Viewer Access Satellite Television Platform, otherwise known as VAST. So VAST has been designed to help both residential people, businesses and travellers who might need access to free-to-air television but can't get terrestrial broadcasts through standard antenna equipment because of their placement wherever they are, or maybe because they're of no fixed address in the case of travellers. So it is a satellite-based system and it does not depend on towers and repeaters as does the terrestrial broadcast system. It transmits digital video broadcasts just the same as the terrestrial system that's in use in most metropolitan areas, except it is encrypted and thus a smart card is required, which is tied to a person or an individual or a business so that they can actually access that programming because it is encrypted. And as I said, it comes through satellite, and thus a satellite dish and a satellite installation is required. So here in Australia, a couple of particulars regarding the technical aspects. It's transmit from the Optus satellite C1 and D3 satellites. The LNB, or the low noise balun, that's required for the satellite installation is detailed as 10700, which is a measurement of frequency bandwidth that it can cope with. The standard which is used is DVB-S2, that's DVB-S2 standard, and the elevation of the the satellite dish is about 157 degrees in the eastern sky. So the things you need to be aware of when launching into getting VAST is that you really need to be talking to people who know what they are talking about. And I'd like to just bring to your attention an endorsement that I have and other staff on our books have as being a digital advisor to help people get ready for the digital switchover. And also another qualification or endorsement that I have and as do our staff here at ACOM Solutions is an endorsed antenna installer under the Digital Ready scheme. So definitely look out for people who are qualified in this way. The VAST platform is available for everyone. And I'll say that again, available for everyone. And there are qualifications though, however, because not everyone can get every channel, but everyone can get VAST and can access certainly a basic level of channels, and they are SBS channels and ABC channels are available to everyone who wants VAST. Not everyone is able to get a VAST installation subsidised by the government, but certainly there are some people who are. There are videos and websites that cover off that specifically, so I'm not going to do that in this one. But just be aware that anyone can have VAST. You need to be prepared to pay for it, of course. And then, of course, you need to be, if you want to get everything in terms of all the commercial channels as well as SBS as well as ABC, then you do need to prove yourself eligible. And again, that is handled by the people at the Digital Ready, the government authority that manages that. And they will look at your situation. If you think you need to have VAST or have access to it, you'll need to obviously give them your reasons, and that might be because you're travelling, that might be because you live in a black spot, it might be for another reason. So once you've gotten past that point of deciding whether you want VAST and then deciding on am I eligible, and based on my eligibility what channel programming can I access, you then obviously be able to make a decision as to whether you want to proceed with VAST installation or not. So we've got other videos as well which will go into the outdoor equipment, the indoor equipment, and connecting up the set-top box, so look out for those.